Attorneys for former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr are asking the court to throw out the case.
They argue the Michigan law permitted him to use deadly force against Patrick Lyoya. 13 on your side's Veronica Ortega joins us live after hearing from a use of force expert about his take on the request and where the case goes from here. Veronica?
Louis Langham is a professor emeritus at Western Michigan University Cooley Law School who teaches criminal procedure and evidence-related courses. He says the request from the attorneys is that probable cause did not exist at the time when Schurr attempted to restrain Patrick Lyoya, so these charges should not have been bound over to circuit court. Schurr's attorneys already tried to convince a judge during the preliminary hearing to dismiss the case, but the judge instead bound over the case to circuit court to face a jury in a trial scheduled for March. This appeal is something Kent County Prosecutor Chris Becker expected. Becker believes there is enough evidence for the murder charge as opposed to the lesser count of manslaughter. Langham, a former MSP trooper and detective of 25 years, says if granted, this would be a major win for the defense.
The defense attorney is basically not only arguing should it be dismissed, but part of that is if it can be dismissed upon the defense motion, that's a major gain for the defense. That's a charge they don't have to contend with, the possibility of life in prison. And if they can persuade the judge through their arguments that this charge should be dismissed, that would go a long way, definitely in the police officer's favor.
Langham said this request will not delay the trial unless the judge rules in the defense's favor and dismisses the second-degree murder charge. The trial is still set to begin on March 13th. We will keep you posted as this story develops. Emily?
Veronica, thank you. And before that March trial, Christopher Schurr's attorney tells us the court will hear arguments on this motion to dismiss charges in February.